Most of us spent years in school learning mathematics, science, history, and countless other subjects designed to prepare us for the future. Yet one of the most important life skills, building wealth, was rarely explained in a practical way. As a result, many people enter adulthood believing that earning more money automatically leads to financial success, only to discover that income alone doesn't guarantee wealth. Today we will talk about the wealth formula nobody taught you in school. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. School teaches you how to earn money, not how to build wealth. For most of our lives, we are told that the path to success is simple. Study hard, get good grades, find a stable job, work for decades, and eventually everything will work out. While there is nothing wrong with education or hard work, there is one major problem with this advice. It focuses almost entirely on earning money, not building wealth. Millions of people earn decent incomes yet still struggle financially. They work hard every day, but their financial situation never seems to improve significantly. The reason is that income and wealth are not the same thing. 9. Wealth begins with the gap between income and spending. Most people believe wealth is created by earning a huge salary. While a higher income certainly helps, it is not the deciding factor. What matters most is the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Someone earning $50,000 per year while saving and investing consistently may build more wealth than someone earning $150,000 who spends everything they make. Wealth grows in the space between income and expenses. The larger that gap becomes, the more money you have available to invest, save, and use to create future opportunities. 8. Saving money alone is not enough. Many people think saving money is the ultimate financial goal. Saving is important because it creates security and provides a financial cushion for emergencies. However, money sitting in a savings account usually grows very slowly. Inflation gradually reduces its purchasing power over time. This means that while saving protects money, it rarely creates significant wealth on its own. Wealth is typically built when savings are converted into productive assets that can grow and generate returns. Saving is the foundation, but investing is what helps money multiply. 7. Your money needs to work harder than you do. Most people spend their entire lives working for money. Wealthy individuals understand a different concept. Eventually, money should work for you. Every dollar invested in productive assets becomes a small worker generating potential future income. Stocks, businesses, real estate, and other income-producing assets can continue generating value even while you sleep. This is one of the biggest differences between people who struggle financially and those who achieve financial independence. One group relies entirely on their labor. The other builds systems that allow money to generate more money over time. 6. Time is more powerful than income. Many people underestimate the incredible power of time when it comes to building wealth. They assume they need a large amount of money before they can start investing. In reality, starting early is often more important than starting big. Small investments made consistently over many years can grow into surprisingly large amounts because of compounding. Compounding allows returns to generate additional returns, creating a snowball effect that becomes stronger over time. This is why delaying investing can be one of the most expensive financial mistakes a person makes. 5. Assets make you rich. Liabilities make you busy. One of the simplest wealth-building lessons is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money into your pocket or increase in value over time. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Many people spend years acquiring liabilities while believing they are building wealth. Expensive purchases often create ongoing costs rather than future income. Wealthy individuals tend to focus on acquiring assets first and allowing those assets to fund future lifestyle upgrades. The order matters more than most people realize. 4. Multiple income streams create financial strength. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. If that income disappears, financial problems can appear very quickly. This is why many financially successful people focus on creating multiple streams of income. These can include investments, side businesses, dividends, rental income, royalties, freelance work, or other sources of cash flow. Multiple income streams provide flexibility and reduce dependence on a single paycheck. Over time, they can create a financial foundation that is far stronger than relying on one job alone. 3. Lifestyle inflation is the wealth killer. One of the biggest obstacles to building wealth is lifestyle inflation. This happens when spending increases every time income increases. A raise leads to a larger house, a newer car, more expensive vacations, and higher monthly expenses. While enjoying the rewards of hard work is important, constantly increasing spending can prevent wealth from growing. Many people spend decades earning more money, but never become significantly wealthier because their expenses rise just as quickly as their income. Avoiding excessive lifestyle inflation allows more money to be directed toward assets and long-term growth. 2. Financial freedom is about ownership. Many people think financial freedom means having a large amount of cash. In reality, financial freedom is often about ownership. Owning productive assets means owning things that continue generating value without requiring constant effort. Ownership creates leverage. Instead of trading every hour for income, owners benefit from businesses, investments, and assets that work continuously. This shift from earning to owning is one of the most important transitions in wealth building. The people who achieve long-term financial success often focus more on ownership than income alone. 1. The real wealth formula is surprisingly simple. The wealth formula nobody taught you in school is actually very simple. Earn money, spend less than you earn, invest the difference in productive assets, give those assets time to grow, and repeat the process consistently for years. That is the formula. There is no secret shortcut, magical investment, or hidden trick that guarantees wealth overnight. Most financially successful people build wealth through discipline, patience, and consistency rather than extraordinary luck. The challenge is that this formula is not exciting. It does not promise instant results. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.